All right, my collective. So let's see what is stored in the stars for you for coming next 7 days. So I'll be just explaining your current situation. If that resonates to you, go ahead with the reading, or else you can just check other readings on my channel. I have channeled it in a way that whenever you're going to land on it, that will resonate to your situation. So I'm just going to explain the situation. So yes, I am seeing that you are in a soul searching mode at the moment. You really do not understand certain things. Certain things are very deep for you to understand. There is a lot of turmoil going in your mind. So there are things that you really need. You feel that there is an urge of knowing the depth of things. Some of you are highly inclined towards spiritual practices. You are kind of feeling a disconnect from the 3D world, and you really feel that there is some depth to everything that you need to discover. You're really very intrigued about this inner mystery going on in your mind. So you are in a soul searching mode. You really feel that what is your aim, what is your goal of this life. You are in that kind of a mode. So if this is something that is going on your mind, so let's just go ahead and see what are the next 7 days going to bring. So at the moment, yes, you want to know the depth of why things are happening in the way that they are happening, why things are not aligning totally. Like sometimes you really feel that there's something, when you feel a disconnect, there's something that you really need to discover about yourself, about the situations, about everything that is happening around you. You really feel that there is a deeper sense about everything that is happening around you. Kind of on a philosopher mindset, kind of on a spiritual mindset. You can say that you are on a kind of a hermetic kind of a mindset at the moment. So what you cannot see at the moment, I can see that like you are trying to concentrate on what you should know, and there are deeper meanings and all of that, but still you're not being able to analyze that where is it that you need to make a change. Why are you getting in that soul searching mode? You're not being able to analyze how to be satisfied with what you do deeply. You're not being able to analyze or find the depths that you are looking for. Kind of, it is still not on the surface for you to understand. So yes, you need to do some soul searching. You want things to be perfect. You feel also sometimes that everything is happening in a perfect way, but still you are not feeling that satisfaction inside because you are in that kind of a deep mode. So that is the reason why. But what you're being asked at the moment by the universe and by this class is you really need to take that step forward. If you're being called for some kind of a spiritual journey, a spiritual outing or something like that, if you're really being called to go and visit some temple, please go ahead and do that. Or if you're being called to start off some meditation routines, please go ahead and do that. If you're being called to know about some things, you might be coming across several spiritual organizations which you might be just sitting on a backlog at the moment. So you're being asked, if that is something that is going on your mind, go ahead and do not be afraid of the changes that it might bring in your life, because that will be certainly for your benefit. Most of the time you will feel that